In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the error that says payment account must be active. If you're seeing this message when trying to reconcile, record a payment, or sync transactions from an app like airwallex or bill.com, don't worry, this is a very common issue, and it's usually very quick to fix. I'll walk you through the step-by-step solution so you can get back to processing payments without errors. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The error, payment account must be active, in Xero usually happens for one of two reasons. Either the bank account or ledger account you're trying to use has been archived, or a third-party app is trying to push payments into an account that no longer exists or is no longer active. So first, we're going to check if the account has been archived and restore it if needed. Start by logging into your Xero dashboard. From the top menu, click on Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your active and archived accounts are stored. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts page, look for the Archive tab. Click on that tab to view any accounts that have been archived. Now carefully review the list. If you see the bank account or payment account that's causing the issue, that means it has been archived and Xero can't use it for transactions while it's inactive. To fix this, simply check the box next to the account name and then click Restore. Once restored, the account becomes active again and can be used for payments, reconciliations, and syncing. After restoring the account, go back and try the action again, whether that's reconciling a transaction or recording a payment. In many cases, this immediately resolves the error. Now, if you're still seeing the error, especially when using third-party apps like airwallex, bill.com, or other payment integrations, the issue is likely related to your default bank account settings inside that app. When external apps push payment data into Xero, they rely on a specific account setting, usually called something like Deposit To or Default Bank Account. If that field is blank or still linked to an old archived account, Xero will reject the transaction and show the Payment Account Must Be Active message. So here's what you need to do. Log into the third-party app that's connected to Xero. Go to the Settings area where the Xero integration is configured. Look for a field labeled Deposit To or Default Bank Account. Once you find it, check which account is selected. If the field is empty or pointing to an old account that you've archived, update it by selecting your current active bank account from the drop-down list. Make sure you choose the correct account that is active inside Xero. Then click Save to apply the changes. After saving, go back to Xero and try syncing again. The transaction should now push through without the error. As a best practice, whenever you plan to archive an account in Xero, double-check that it's not being used in recurring invoices, bank rules, or third-party integrations. Archiving an account that's still connected somewhere else is one of the most common causes of this issue. So to quickly recap, go to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts, check the Archive tab, and restore the account if needed. If you're using an integration like airwallex or bill.com, check the Deposit To or Default Bank Account setting and make sure it's pointing to an active account. Once those are corrected, the error should be fully resolved. That's it. You've successfully fixed the Xero Payment Account Must Be Active error. If this video saved you time or frustration, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Xero troubleshooting guides and accounting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.